In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna to make purchases on DHgate. Whether you're new to online shopping or simply looking to simplify your payment process, Klarna is a fantastic option that allows you to buy now and pay later. Let's dive in and explore how you can incorporate Klarna into your online shopping experience. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the DHgate website. If you have an account, log in to access your personalized shopping options. If you're new to DHgate, consider creating an account to make future purchases easier. Having an account also saves your information for faster checkouts and allows you to track your orders. Once you're on the DHgate homepage, take some time to browse through their vast selection of products. DHgate offers a wide variety of items, from electronics to fashion, and you're bound to find something that catches your eye. As you scroll through the options, use the search bar or category filters if you have a specific item in mind. When you find the product you're interested in, make sure to read the description carefully. Check the specifications, size charts if applicable, and any customer reviews to ensure that it meets your expectations. After deciding on a product, click on it to get more details, and then select the options you want, such as color, size, or quantity. Once you're happy with your selection, add the item to your cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout, you will see the option to pay with numerous payment methods. Here, you'll select Pay with a New Card. This is where Klarna comes into play. Klarna is a service that allows you to make purchases immediately and pay for them over time, often without interest. It's an excellent choice if you're looking to manage your finances by spreading the cost of an item over a period of time. Input your Klarna card details in the appropriate fields. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your transaction. Klarna will handle the payment, simplifying your buying process without additional steps. Once you've entered your Klarna information and everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your purchase. And there you have it. Your order is placed, and you can anticipate its arrival with your payment scheduled according to the terms you selected with Klarna. Remember, using services like Klarna responsibly will help you manage your finances efficiently. Thank you for joining me today to learn about this convenient payment option. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your online shopping adventures. Happy shopping!